Janard Trust here. So President Trump is doing something magical in crypto I'm not sure we've ever seen before. So in this video, I'm going to break down how Donald Trump is helping crypto in 2025, what cryptos will 20x next month, June 2025, and how seasonality and market conditions affect crypto growth projections. Let's look at the major initiatives and policy changes he's made. There's this, basically the strategic Bitcoin reserve. President Trump signed an executive order to establish a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve, positioning Bitcoin as a reserve asset for the federal government. So this reserve is funded by Bitcoin seized in criminal or civil asset forfeiture proceedings and is intended to be held long-term, not sold. The administration also created a digital asset stockpile for other cryptocurrencies acquired through similar means. There's also the regulatory shift. So under Trump's leadership, the Securities and Exchange Commission has dropped most of the crypto lawsuits and, investigations that were, basically initiated under the previous administration. So this regulatory easing is seen as a move toward, providing the regulatory clarity that crypto industry executives and lobbyists have long, sought, basically aiming to make the US a global hub for digital assets. Now, they're also, he's also a crypto-friendly, administration, right? He's built that. So Trump has appointed a crypto czar, and filled key cabinet positions with crypto advocates, further signaling a pro-crypto stance at the highest levels of government. There's the business and symbolic moves. So Trump's media's Bitcoin treasury, he's heavily into that. Trump Media and Technology Group, controlled by Trump, raised $2.5 billion with a B from institutional investors to create one of the largest Bitcoin treasuries held by a public company. So this move is both a financial bet and a symbolic gesture of support for the crypto industry. There's National Crypto Strategic Reserve. So Trump has directed officials to develop a National Crypto Strategic Reserve that includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, further integrating crypto into national financial, strategy. There was the promotion of crypto assets. So Trump and his family have backed multiple crypto ventures, launched their own meme coin, that's the money sign on the Trump, and hosted high-profile events for crypto supporters, increasing the visibility and mainstream acceptance of digital assets. There's political and industrial, impact, legislative momentum. So the Trump administration's pro-crypto stance has helped advance key legislation such as bills regulating stable coins. Although these moves have also sparked political debate and concerns about conflicts of interest, there's industry confidence. So after years of regulatory uncertainty and skepticism, the crypto industry now views Trump as a champion, with many investors and companies increasing their US presence and investments in anticipation of a more favorable environment. Let's talk about these cryptos that are suggested to be 20x, in next month, 2025. We have AI and real world asset RWA focused coins like Destro, seen as a strong AI related bet with potential to reach around $1 by the end of the bull run. We have Zig Chain that is next, which combines AI and RWA, expected to perform very well. We have Hash AI, which is basically an AI mining company with strong narrative and brand potential. We have TayoBot, exposure to Tayo with expected continued growth. We have Pinlink, which is considered a destroyer in the field, with strong growth potential. There's Crypto Autos that integrates cars and car rentals on chain, considered very undervalued. There is CryptTalk, a decentralized chat system on chain, high risk but promising. There's Yieldstone and RWA Layer, which is a smaller market cap coins in RWA, seen as very promising. Now let's look into more established cryptos with strong June potential. So we have Cardano, ADA, positioned as a stable rocket ship with potential to outshine Solana. We have Polkadot, DOT, benefiting from upcoming elastic scaling upgrade and high stalking, or staking yields at around 11.5%. We have Binance Coin, BNB, supported by technical patterns and network upgrades aiming to improve speed and capacity. We have Pepe, strong technicals and, basically with bullish patterns and whale accumulation. We have Solana, upcoming, Alpine Glow upgrade expected to reduce latency and improve, real-time application suitability. Here are other noteworthy mentions. We have Hyperliquid, which is nearing a key resistance level and poised for potential new all-time highs. We have Mind of Pepe, basically an AI-powered meme coin with unique utility and high APY staking. We have BTC Bull token, which basically a Bitcoin themed token with airdrops linked to BTC price milestones. Best Wallet token, which is a multi-chain wallet token with high staking APY and growing user base. We have Selaxi, layer 2 solution for Solana to address network congestion. Now, seasonality effects when it comes to crypto, right? There is reoccurring, patterns. So crypto markets often display time-based patterns similar to traditional finance. For example, the start of the year, the January effect, typically sees price increases as investors deploy new capital, while tax season, especially April in the United States, can prompt sell-offs as holders liquidate assets to pay taxes. There's quarterly and monthly trends. So Q1, that's basically January to March, usually flat on or declining prices due to post-holiday profit taking and tax-related sales. Q2, April to June, often a period of recovery and rising prices as tax pressures ease and new investments flow in. Q3, July to September, frequently weaker with lower trading volumes and minor corrections, sometimes called the summer lull. Q4, October to December, tends to see rallies driven by holiday optimism, institutional investments, and year-end strategies. Now, there are holiday and event-driven activity as well. So end-of-year periods can bring rallies due to holiday spending and optimism, while major crypto events like Bitcoin halvings can trigger bull runs. Now, let's look at market conditions. So there's macroeconomic factors like inflation, interest rates, and monetary policy that have major impacts. There's rising inflation that can increase crypto demand as a hedge, while higher interest rates generally reduce risk appetite and liquidity, making crypto less attractive. Conversely, dovish central bank policies can fuel bullish sentiment. There's regulatory changes, so positive regulatory news like ETF approvals, favorable legislation can spark rallies, while negative developments like crackdowns or bans often cause sharp corrections. There is technological innovations, so upgrades, forks, and new blockchain technologies can create temporary surges in price and trading volumes, sometimes aligning with seasonal trends. There's market sentiment and external events, so sentiment driven by social media, news, or global events like geopolitical crises can amplify or disrupt expected seasonal patterns. Okay, so that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you appreciate this video, you want more content like this, let me know that by hitting that subscribe button and that like button right now. I appreciate your viewership. Also, let me hit that notification bell. See you on the next video.